Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add another windows into your workspace at Photopea. Once we're at photopea.com and we got our project set and we want to, for example, add more windows into our workspace, it's pretty easy actually. We have to go to the top side of our screen and run into window option, and straight again we can see all the options and already used windows that we added into our workspace. But let's say we want to add a color, so we want to play with colors straight away and you want to have it in your right workspace. We basically click on color and we find it in here. We can always just minimize it or maximize it and use this little tool to actually get straight to color. Straight away, if we don't want this option to be present, we just right click it and press close and we automatically get rid of the window. So that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one.